Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to find someone on Tinder. Some person that you specifically know that it's on Tinder. So by now what you can do is go to your Tinder and go to your profile and the settings with the symbol on top of your screen. Here you're gonna have different settings. For instance, I have the maximum distance of it, so you can change it. Perhaps it's around the 20 or 30 kilometers from you, so you can switch it. You can select if you want to be showed men or women or everyone. It depends the person you're looking for, and also the age range. That it's gonna be really helpful. Finally, you can change your current location and add a new location, but this is going to be an specification of Tinder Plus. So by now, you'll have to wait or perhaps buy that Tinder Plus to add a new location. So if you go back to this menu, the second option at the bottom of your screen is the dashboard, and you're gonna find several options. So if you know perhaps that person is the nature lover, so you can go in and see if that person appears in that menu. Or perhaps she has a pet or a cat or dog. You can go to animal parents, and there you're gonna have several options of people who have pets. So that's the only way you have. So at least I wish that in the options that person have locked you, because you can block contacts on your Tinder, and if that person have blocked you, that is a real issue. And that's it. I hope you can find that person that you're looking for on Tinder.